Hi guys, Needscreen here. I'm a food reviewer now. So today I'm gonna be reviewing Cape Cod kettle cooked potato chips, original flavored. So they come from my homeland, Massachusetts, as you can see by the Cape Cod. So I'm pretty excited to try these. Yeah, I'm getting this. So, pretty good. I'm getting hints of salt and potato and chip. They're very crunchy. They taste like Lay's, but kettle cooked. Like if you took a Lay's potato chip and instead of frying it, kettle cooked it, you know, that's what it tastes like. So these are pretty good. I can taste the lack of GMOs. Very salty, very potato-y. I give them an 8.5 out of 10, and yeah, they're great. I recommend them. They cost I don't know how much they cost. My mom bought them, but why am I disappearing? Why am I disappearing? Man, that sure is kooky. What's going on in here? I'm in some kind of boiler room. What's this? Well, like, is this some kind of note? Come on, what does it say?
Dear Needscreen.com, we at Sega of America have decided to kidnap you and force you to review food. Review 6 food if you ever want to leave our boiler room. Love, Sega of America.
And it's got a picture of Sonic, which means it's official. Man, I don't want to review food down here. That's dumb. Why do I gotta be stuck in here? Guess I got it though. I mean, there's a mini fridge right there. There's got to be at least 6 things in there for me to review. Oh well. I guess you're all gonna have to find out what happens to me next time on the Needscreen Food Review Show. Yeah.
Don't lose your way.